So I'm boiling here some cashews, some carrot, and some bell peppers. And this is going to be our delicious cheddar cheese base. Alright, into a blender we're going to add our carrots and our cashews. And we are going to add a half a cup of soy milk. And we're going to blend this till it's smooth. Oh, one more thing. We're going to add some seasonings. I have tapioca starch, nutritional yeast, and citric acid. I'll give you the measurements on the description below. Add this beautifulness in there, and let's make this cheddar cheese. Blend until smooth. I'm also going to add a half a cup of water. So I'm going to add that in. Oh shit. Alright, now we're going to transfer our cheddar cheese into a saucepan, and we're going to heat it up till it becomes thick. It's already pretty thick. And yo, this is extremely delicious. This is incredibly good, dude. Like, this is really, really good. So I'm just going to heat it up till it becomes thick. Kind of like our mozzarella cheese, but it's a yellow cheese. So we're just going to stir it continuously and allow it to become thick. This is insanely good, dude. I cannot believe how delicious this is. And I'm just going to stir it to activate the tapioca starch. As you can see, it's already activating. It just needs a few more seconds. And once it's activated, I'm going to put it in a container and allow it to cool. And this is how you can make your grilled cheeses or anything you want, to be honest, which I'll show you in the next future videos. Wow, this is incredibly delicious, man. This is so addicting. Say goodbye to your weight loss goals with this cheddar cheese, because it's going to be super addicting. So I'm going to increase the temperature and activate the starch. Now I'm just going to let it cool down and use it whenever I want to. And there's our fantastic meltable cheddar cheese. Use it with whatever you want. Your quesadillas, grilled cheese, mac and cheese. I'll have a few videos coming up real soon to show you how to use your cheddar cheese. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.